What's going on, guys? Mambo here, along with.
Luke.
We got a couple packs to rip open today. Um, yeah, I basically just wasted all my stubs on 25 standards, two headliners. So, are we gonna pull something? Probably not.
Probably.
We'll pull a diamond, but I don't really foresee any good diamonds.
I
So,
could pull you Darvish or something.
I think we're gonna go gold standards, and if we're not
No,
doing
no,
well,
no,
I'll
no.
split it.
15 standards, gold,
Ooh,
10 standards, 2 headliners.
okay, that works. So we're pack numero uno. That means number one in French, by the way. Got nothing. Hmm. Pack number two. Hit us.
Alright,
Trent Christian.
improvement.
You know what? Yeah, that's exactly what Luke said. Improvement. And oh my God, he's a seven. I remember when he was actually good.
Rookie.
When he punched Bautista, that was probably his best moment.
Oh my god, I gave him a standing ovation for that.
And if you guys are new to the channel, I got nothing to say. Just
Please do be so kind to subscribe.
yeah. Oh, that's an early bronze.
Oh!
Show me like Bieber. All right, he's a. You know what? That's not a bad gold, honestly.
Kenny Giles.
Bieber's a diamond. My bad, but uh, oh God. All right, I think we switch over to the gold, right? Or do we got two more, right?
Yeah, the standards getting a little dry.
Yeah, they're dry. Oh, thank you for the 1K. All right, you know what? Maybe that's rejuvenating our luck. No,
Oh.
Edward,
Eduardo
Eduardo
Nunez.
Nuni.
He's trash.
Yeah, I liked him when
Diamond.
he was with the Yankees. Lane Thomas.
Oh, you can afford another headliner now. That's good.
Yeah. It would be
This
nice
list
to.
is pretty
Jake
bad.
Lamb. Jake Lamb's is 66. Yo, dude, I remember when he was like the next big thing. Yikes.
And he was the show 17 VR glitch card.
Can't we just,
Never forget Jake Lamb.
just like, oh my.
Oh, maybe a headliner to switch it up.
Yeah, no, this is
No,
bad.
no, at 10 packs, open a headliner. When there's 10 left.
This is really bad. Hey, what's good?
Starlin.
Yeah, it is probably like the worst pack opening I've ever had in my life.
Ooh. Alright, yeah, definitely a headliner to switch it up.
So, Duke Snyder going for a cool 50K.
Come on.
This is rough. Yikes.
This is hard to watch.
This is hard too. The worst part is I know I wasted so much on this. Oh, just one diamond, please. Oh, get out of here.
You didn't even tell him.
You know what?
This is the worst pack I've ever seen.
Oh, hey, you know?
It's a good strat.
Hey, Chuck.
Oh, that man's about to get shelled tonight.
Yeah.
7:05, Yankee Stadium.
Now I'm gonna have to open up these packs a little unorthodox.
That's already a good pack. Silver in the non-guaranteed slot.
Yeah, but
I think this is the new meta.
hey, Mr. Marlin, Starlin Marte.
Starlin the Marlin.
All right. We're gonna go 3, 2, 4, 1, and that one's gone. Nick Dunn. Oh my God.
I'd say if this is another bronze, start opening them normally again.
Yeah.
Do one quick flip pack.
Ah, you think so?
Auto flip pack.
Yeah,
Still not bad.
that's pretty bad. Um, oh my god, he looks so old. All right, down to the final two. Please show me something. No, okay. Wow,
That was a terrible bumper.
wow.
3 golds, like 8 silvers, a bunch of bronzes. This probably won't be posted, right?
I mean, I wasted so many stubs on it, so it will.
Yeah.
Come on, set 48.
Oof.
End off with Eddie. I mean,
Oof.
that's.
That was hard to watch.
We're just gonna. Oh, I thought I saw a little blue there.
I thought I did too, honestly.
I think MOV just doesn't like me right now. I don't know what I did to upset this game, but. Oh. Like, they're not even, like, remotely good. They're just trash.
Mm-hmm. Diamond. Shit. Brantley. Cheater.
We can get one more out of this. That's terrible. Guys, I don't even know what to say. I opened, I think, 30 to 35 packs. And I probably made like 4K, if that.
Well, you
Uh,
lost about 50.
yeah, no, I had 50K. Yeah, no, there's no way around that. That was garbage. Thank you for what. Be ready for the clickbait title, guys. Thank you for watching this terrible pack opening. And I'll see you guys, unfortunately, in the next video. Peace.